Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's Sunday prepositions. So, in place of, to replace something. Yeah, to replace something. The book was in the place of that one. Yeah. We bought a new one in the place of that one. Yeah. They put this one in the place of those. They put this one in the place of those. They replaced those with this. Yeah. We are here in the place of him. Yeah, we replaced him. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. We think that it will be in the place of those. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We found it in the place of the bush. The bush was supposed to be here, but we found that in its place instead. In the place of. The headphones are in place of the speakers. Yes. There were meant to be speakers here, but there are headphones instead. I don't have any speakers here. Or headphones. So, I have speakers here. Speakers in place of headphones. I have speakers on my laptop in the place of my headphones. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I'm putting it in place of the older ones. Yeah. The old ones are on their way out, and the new ones will be put in their place. Yes, in the place of the old ones. The place of the old ones. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use in place of in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.